Here's the chrome-plated VacSnap hose cocks, and this is showing 100% quality control testing. First step, we look at it to evaluate all the correct etching is per the standard. Then the next step, we look at the handle to see that it's rotating freely and correctly, and to see that it's engaged with the ball inside. Then the next step is to check that the internal nuts are all done up nice and tight and torqued correctly. And then we start doing the water testing. First phase is to check that the water is coming out of the centre and it's not coming out of the vacuum breaker holes, so there is no dripping. So you can see that we've got straight flow out of the hose cock. And we're checking to then see that we have a watertight seal, that there is no dripping. And then we engage it again. And we can see that again, no water is coming out of the vacuum breaker holes. Now we shut the mains and we reverse the flow, and you'll note that the handle will remain open. So when we engage the water again, still with the open handle, no water is coming through the back of the hose, but it is all being expelled from the vacuum breaker. In a real life situation, this would be contaminated water flowing to the air in a vented environment rather than going back through the potable water supply. That's now completed.